Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University was the first engineering college for women, which went on to create history again in 2013 after it became India's first women's technical university. IGDTUW holds a stellar reputation in the field of technical studies and also holds a rating of 4.1 out of 5 by students on Shiksha.com. So what makes IGDTUW so coveted and a top choice for aspiring women engineers? Find out in this review video starting with the university's 4.4 star rated placements. As per NIRF's latest report, out of the 449 students that graduated in 2023, 410 got placed, taking the placement rate to 91.3%. The median package for the 4-year UG courses including BTech stood at 23.4 lakh per annum in 2022-23, which was an 18.5% increase over the previous year's 19.72 lakh per annum salary. This also compares favorably when compared with Delhi's other reputed and higher ranked government engineering institutions such as NSUT. As per reviews, top recruiters such as Amazon, Facebook, Flipkart, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Deloitte, Nestle, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors and Honeywell visited the campus and offered roles such as software developer, data analyst, front-end developer and software development engineer. Students mentioned that the highest salary can reach up to 1.2 crores per annum. Internship opportunities are robust, with around 80 to 85% students landing internships in top companies such as Google, Microsoft, Uber, Adobe and Amazon, earning stipends of up to 1.15 lakhs per month. IGDTUW offers 5 specializations in their flagship BTech program. They also offer a BTech plus MBA dual degree with a specialization in mechanical and automation engineering. Admissions are based on JEE main scores and candidates have to sit through the joint admission counseling or JAC process with other Delhi technological universities. Applicants must have passed class 12th with mathematics and physics with at least a 75% aggregate score. The total seat intake for BTech currently stands at 886. A quick look at the JEE main cutoff suggests that the competition has become easier over time at IGDTUW with all the BTech specialization. It seems that students' preference at shifting to NSUT, where the competition is more intense and cutoffs ranks are way higher. Talking about the program cost, with the inclusion of hostel fees, one-time admission charge along with tuition fees, you may need to shell out anywhere around 10.57 lakhs for the 4-year BTech program. If we look at the total fees for engineering at NSUT, it is more affordable than IGDTUW. On the basis of the total fees and the median package of 23.36 lakh per annum provided by the college, we can see an excellent return within the first year. Because of this, students perceive this institution as excellent in terms of value for money. Shifting gears to infrastructure, which is rated 3.5 by students. IGDTUW is located on Madarsa Road opposite St. James Church at Kashmiri Gate, New Delhi. The campus has good Wi-Fi connectivity and the library boasts of a wide variety of books and journals. Classrooms are equipped with AC and labs have all the necessary equipment. However, the infrastructure is not as advanced as other colleges because the IGTUW campus is quite old. There are 2 hostels which consist of 200 rooms which are of 3 and 4 seaters. Hostel facilities are good with Wi-Fi, AC, medical facilities, 24/7 computer centers and sports facilities. Other amenities include washing machine, induction cooker, refrigerators, microwave oven on each floors. The food served in mess is of average quality. Shifting gears to faculty and course curriculum, which is rated 4.1 stars. Most of the faculty members hold PhD degrees and they are polite and helpful. The course curriculum is designed to make students future ready, including major and minor projects as well as industry visits. Students can also choose additional courses from other departments based on their interests. The university conducts 2 exams in one semester, that is midterm and end term. The difficulty level of examination is moderate with a minimum passing marks of 45%. Talking about the campus life, which is rated 3.9 stars by students. At IGDTUW, there are more than 10 plus student societies including technical, literary, economics, cultural, eco, music, fashion, dance, drama, women empowerment and social service. The university also has a sports club. IGDTUW organizes an annual cultural fest as well, which is awaited by students with much enthusiasm. Finally, taking a look at the NIRF rank, where currently IGDTUW is placed in the 151 to 200 rank band. For more details on Indira Gandhi Technical University for Women and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.